Hey guys, what's up? Viking here. How's it going? This is our new BMX build. It's a Mongoose Pro 2000. It's a 1997, I believe. And the paintwork is in great condition. The chrome on it. There are a few clothing marks up here, but you can't really see it, but yeah, it's pretty good nick. I bought it for $35 at a car boot sale, so that's pretty good. Yeah, the good thing about it is, the bad thing about it is it came with no bearings or anything, but it did have the racers still in there, so I popped them out and I bought some off eBay, brand new ones. And I also had to buy forks and a few other things for it. I'll show you some other parts that I got with it. So guys, these are the forks. I'll just take them out for you. Here they are here. There's some nice black. I'll put them. Oh shit. They're nice black, just your standard kind of forks. They were $35, which is pretty good. So yeah. Also guys, here's what it looks like up against the frame. It'll look really nice with the bars I'm going to put on it. Okay guys, these are the bars that I got given with the bike. It's the original Mongoose. It even has the original Beware sticker on it. But yeah, it's in really good condition. Do you reckon I should put this with the black, what do you call it? With the black forks, or use some black bars that I have? What do you guys reckon? Just gonna see. It also came with the original sprockets, the front sprockets. Which one do you guys reckon I should use? This one or the smaller one? This one here, which has no holes. Number 1 or number 2? Put it down in the comments below, everyone. Now we also got this here, which is our gyro. I'll just take it out of the box. Okay guys, I got my my uppers and my lowers here for the gyro. Here's all the gyro pieces just here. They're about $10 this whole kit, but it should all work. That wedge is in between the bearing and cups, that's why I got this kit. All this came off eBay, everyone, so it's actually alright, which I also got a free front cable with it, so it's pretty sweet. And these are also the original cranks that came with the bike. So I've also ordered a bottom bracket bearing kit. Hasn't come yet, it should come. We'll start rebuilding it when that comes. And I also ordered a headset, which that should be coming. And yeah, watch out for the next rebuild video and we'll get into it.